Here are some tips for successful servicing of the rear brakes and parking brake system for Porsche vehicles. Only enter parking brake service mode or commissioning if you are removing or replacing the rotor or parking brake shoes. When servicing the rear pads, don't place the parking brake in service mode. Here are some tips for successful rear brake service. Always connect the vehicle power supply. Voltage issues are a common cause for failure. Check parking brake function. Set and release the parking brake 3 times. The parking brake switch LED is on when applied and off when released. If the LED is flashing, there is a fault in the parking brake system. Check coding. If you have a valid coding number, for example 00006, coding is likely okay. If you have all dashes or all zeros, coding for the brake control module may have been lost. If you enter parking brake service mode, also known as commissioning, you have to complete all steps. If you're calibrating air gap, make sure to aim for the middle of the specification range. Once set, actuate the parking brake and recheck air gap measurement. For detailed steps, see our video series on parking brake commissioning.